Have you ever wanted to visit Thailand but were too nervous to do it alone? Well, I'd like to invite you to a 1 week long retreat for creatives and adventure lovers alike with me in Chiang Mai, Thailand this next year in April. I've spent a couple of years living in Chiang Mai and it has completely changed my life. And now I want to share the beauty I have found in the East with the people from the West. And the best part is that the full itinerary is already ready to go. I've partnered with the company TourHero to create an incredible experience where all the planning is handled by them and all we have to do is show up and have fun. Your job is to get yourself to Thailand and back, but once it is that you arrive, everything else for your week of adventures is booked and already settled. This trip, though, is more than just about travel. It's an opportunity to meet like-minded friends and join me in live workshops designed to help you connect with deeper levels of yourself, even if you're not an artist. We'll be arriving during one of the most amazing celebrations in the world, Songkran. It's where the whole city of Chiang Mai turns into a giant water fight. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I promise you, you do not want to miss this. From there, we'll explore sacred temples, visit an elephant camp, take on zip line adventures, and dive into creative and meditative workshops I've put together. This is more than a trip. It's a chance to grow, to connect, and to experience Thailand in a way that few ever will. And to make this even sweeter, TourHero is right now running a 2-week launch sale. The first person to make a booking with me gets 25% off. And for everybody else, you can reserve your place for just $99 down, and you can pay as you go until we get to April. Guys, Chiang Mai completely changed my life, and I know it will do the same for you. Please come join me. Let me show you what it is that I've learned, and we'll make some unforgettable memories together. If you're interested, check out more info in the description below, and check out the full itinerary link to my bio. Comment Thailand, and I'll send you all the information. Thanks, guys.